Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss setting dunning options and procedures in the customer record using CSV import. Review the customer record. In my sample customer record under the Dunning tab, you can see that the options and procedures are not yet set. Before setting these, make sure that at least one dunning recipient has already been added to the customer record. Next is to review the CSV file. Let's now check the CSV file I've prepared. I've included the following key fields: customer ID, allow letters to be emailed, allow letters to be printed, do not send letters to customer email, dunning manager, dunning procedure. Next is to import the CSV file. Go to Setup, Import, Export CSV Records. Set import type to relationships. Set record type to customers only. Upload the prepared CSV file and click Next. For data handling, select Update and click Next. Map the fields. Map the CSV fields to their corresponding NetSuite fields. You can manually select values for any fields you want to set. Add an import map name for future use. Click Save and Run. Once the import runs, click on the Import Job Status link to check the progress. You'll see that the records were updated successfully. Let's validate the customer record. Under the Dunning tab, you can see that the options and procedures have been successfully updated. And that's it for this video on setting dunning options and procedures in customer records using CSV import. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.